Good morning students. We can study the lesson Effects of Electric Current. Lesson 1 of class 10. Lesson 1 of class 10. In our home there are so many electrical devices. The devices use current. Bulb, AC, fridge, washing machine or TV. Most of these devices works using electric current. We cannot imagine a life without current, isn't it? When we look around, we can see so many inventions using current, isn't it? So, in the lesson, we can study about the effects of electric current. Can you tell what is the energy change in the device shown? It is an iron box, isn't it? This device we use for ironing clothes. Yes, here electrical energy is converted to heat energy, isn't it? Yes. Can you tell what is the energy change in this device shown? It is an electric fan. Yes, here electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. This fan gives us wind. This fan gives us wind. Wind is the form of mechanical energy. Can you tell what is energy conversion in the device shown? It is an induction cooker. Here electrical energy is converted to heat energy, isn't it? By using this heat, we cook things. We cook food. Can you say what is energy transformation in the device shown? Is it a mixie? Yes, it is mixie. Here electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. It is used for grinding things, grinding grains, isn't it? Yes. Grinding is a mechanical work. Every one of you know. This device is the most important part of our home. Next, can you tell what is the change in energy in this device shown? Is it a bulb? Yes. Here electrical energy is converted to light energy. Do you know who invented electric bulb? Yes, every one of you know Thomas Alva Edison. Very good. But in the case of electric bulb, not only the light energy, heat energy also produces. When it works, it produces light energy and heat energy. But we have use of light energy only. But it produces heat. Here electrical energy is converted to heat energy. Electrical energy is wasting as heat energy. So, we can say the effect of electric current as useful form. We can say effect of electric current in a device as a useful form of energy it gives us. In the case of electric bulb, it gives us light. That is the useful form of energy. Light energy is the useful form of energy we get through the bulb. In the case of fan, it gives us wind. That is a mechanical energy. It also gives us heat. It produces heat. When we touch the bulb, when we touch the fan, we feel hotness. That is due to the electrical energy is converting as heat energy also. We can conclude what we studied by drawing a table, putting the values in the table. In the case of electric bulb, it gives us light. That is a useful form of energy get us. Here electrical energy is converted to light energy. In the case of induction cooker, it gives us heat. So electrical energy is converted to heat energy. In the case of storage battery while charging, in vehicles we use storage batteries, in the mobiles we use storage batteries. While charging, electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. But when we use the mobile phone batteries, or when we use the storage batteries of vehicles, this chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. While using, that means while discharging a battery, chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. In the case of mixie, it is used for grinding grains. Electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. Mixie gives us mechanical effect. Electric fan also, we get wind. From the electric fan we get wind. That is the mechanical form of energy. In the case of fan, electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. Heating effect of electric current. We can study more about heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. Can you tell which are the devices that give heating effect of current? Yes, electric iron gives us heating effect. So we can iron clothes. Electric heater, that also gives heating effect. Electric kettle gives us heating effect. We get boiled water through kettle. Hair blower dries our hair. Microwave oven, it gives us cooked food. It gives us heat. Through that heat we can cook food. Can you tell how does electrical energy change into heat energy in this type device? How does electrical energy change into heat energy in these devices? Yes, it may be due to resistance. How does nickel wire become red hot while passing current through this circuit? For current, it is not a smooth path through this nickel wire. It feels difficulty, it feels resistance. Nickel wire resists the flow of current through it. While we traveling through gutter road, we feel difficulty. If we are traveling through a tiled road or tarred road, we feel easy. Likewise, while flowing current through this nickel wire, current feels difficulty, current feels resistance. Nickel wire resists the flow of current through it. Due to that resistance, it becomes red hot. Can you follow? Yes. So, nickel has high resistance. Nickel has high resistance. In the circuit shown, nickel wire become red hot due to resistance. Aluminium has low resistance in comparison with the nickel. Nickel has high resistance and aluminium has low resistance. Due to this high resistance, nickel wire become red hot. Okay. Nickel has high resistance. Nichrome has high resistance. What we studied today? Nichrome has high resistance. It resists the flow of current through the circuit. If the nichrome wire is connected to a circuit, it resists the flow of current through it due to high resistance. Due to that high resistance, nichrome wire become red hot. We can use that property in our iron box, our induction cooker. While passing current through these type devices, they become hot. We can use that hotness for ironing clothes, that hotness for cooking foods, boiling water, etc. We can end the discussion today. You have homework. Find the effect of electrical current in electrical device related to our daily life. Find the effect of electric current in electrical device related to our daily life. There are so many devices that uses electric current. So find yourself that device which use electric current. Which is the equation for finding current using time and charge? Which is the equation for finding current using time and charge? You studied about this equation, finding current using time and charge. You studied about the equation for finding current using time and charge. If the time is given, if the charge is given, we can find current. You studied about it in 9th standard. Okay? So we can end the discussion today. We can see in next class. Okay, bye.